What's going on, guys? Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm your host T. Welcome to the Adventures of TNT. Now today we're going to be doing another Patron request. This is for Halloween, a Halloween request coming from our patron Tevin, in which he has requested Where the Rain Goes. Now I just started listening to Helloween last week, in which I really love this band. The album I started listening to was Keeper of the Seven Keys Part 1, I believe that's what it's called, in which I'll be jumping back into that album in a couple more days. I just need to knock out some of these requests. But Where the Rain Goes, I'm not sure where that lies in their catalog. It says it's on the album Master of Rings. So I'm not sure if it's further down the road from Keeper of the Seven Keys or if it's before then. But I'm curious and I'm excited because from what I've heard so far from them, this band rocks. They kick ass. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Once again, this is Where the Rain Goes. Alright. Already coming in there with these drums. Come on, bruh. Alright.
I never looked higher than I could see. Never gave less than you have given me. The more you have taken, you turned into fakes. I finally know now why, for heaven's sake.
This is a fucking masterpiece. This is so good.
Majority, I think that if someone stopped at your side, you'd all turn your back, won't give any dime.
I love his backing vocals. That bass.
So I take my life back from where the rain goes. Die to survive. Back from where the rain goes.
Alright. Wow. Oh my goodness. All right. First and foremost, shout out to you, Tevin. Thank you for so much for this, man. This is an excellent request. This is an excellent song. Guys, did y'all hear this shit? This was a fucking masterpiece. Oh my God, this is so good. So, first and foremost, lead singer, let me go ahead and look his name up because I can't remember it. Lead singer of Helloween. Let's see what this guy's name is. Okay, they had two lead singers, Michael Kiske and Andy Dearest. I'm assuming this is Michael Kiske because he's the one I hear most of the time. Lead singer went in. This was so good. His vocals were amazing in this track. He was hitting all kinds of notes, but I really enjoyed as he was singing the song on certain parts, like the chorus. They had that backing echoey vocals. It just added a different level to this song. But speaking of levels, this song had so many different layers in it. The guitars were just going off. The bass was just so on point, and the drumming was just everywhere. That drumming just kept that energy in this song. But everything about this track was just so good. It just had everything in it to make it a perfect song. So if this is what you guys were talking about when you were talking about Helloween, I'm game. Because it's looking like to me that this might be one of the greatest fucking bands of all time. Oh man, damn. And this, I guess, I'm looking at the views on this track, and it's not even like the most popular song, you know. And so, wow, maybe it's like one of those underrated songs. But this is really good. I really enjoyed this. So I'm looking forward to more Helloween tracks. In which, like I said, this makes me even more excited to continue my journey with Keeper of the Seven Keys, or Seven Rings, or whichever it's called. What was I gonna say? It was about power metal. So this, you know, obviously this is a power metal band. It had that power metal feel to it, but it didn't have a power metal feel to it. It felt like heavy metal, hardcore power metal, if you guys catch my drift. It just, I don't know, it just had a different feel to it. But guys, let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Let me know what you thought about this song as well as this reaction. Let me know where I should go from here. And guys, make sure you stay tuned for this Keeper of the Seven Keys journey, because I think I might do a full album reaction to it, in which I might live stream it. You guys can come hang out, grab a beer, and just chill out. We could just jam to this song. Or I might break it up into parts. Let me know what best fits for you guys. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.